कांग्रेस की गवर्नमेंट थी, पी चिदम्बरम फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर थे और उस वक्त उन्होंने कहा कि गोल्ड मत खरीदो, फ्यूल बचाओ, यहां तक कि पेट्रोल पंप्स जल्दी बंद करने तक की बात।
I just love how some independent critique have a memory that only goes back 5 minutes. You are telling me that when the UPA asked Indian to save fuel and gold in 2013, it was a failed government. But when the current government does the same exact thing in 2026, it's a national duty. Let's check the receipt before we drawn into the hypocrisy.
यार मुझे याद क्यों नहीं आ रहा है, 2013 में कोई वॉर चल रही थी क्या सीक्रेटली? कोई तो क्राइसिस चल रही होगी, तभी तो उस वक्त की सबसे पढ़ी लिखी सरकार ने कहा था कि गोल्ड मत खरीदो।
You said 2013 was a normal situation. It wasn't. The rupees was in free fall and inflation was at 10% and we had a massive trade deficit back then. And the BJP, who was in the opposition, of course, didn't say let's support the nation. They called it a complete bankruptcy of ideas and asked the Prime Minister to resign. Dr. Manmohan Singh.
तब कोई सामने नहीं आया कि सरकार फेल हो रही है, नाकाम हो रही है बोलने। कितना ड्यूल स्टैंडर्ड है भाई इन लोगों।
Now it's May 2026. Gold is touching 1.5 lakh rupees per 10 gram and petrol is burning a hole in our pocket despite stability claims, and the government is literally telling us to skip our foreign trips to save the rupees. If it was a sign of failure in 2013, then why is it a masterstroke in 2026?
सर, लेकिन आज यूक्रेन वॉर चल रहा है, ईरान कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बढ़ चुका है। आपकी पढ़ी लिखी सरकार ने शांति के वक्त ये सब कहा था।
You talk about Russia-Ukraine war and US-Iran conflict like they are excuses. You know what? Global crises happen in every decade, and a strong economy is supposed to be resilient, not the one that tells their citizens to stop buying or living their life the moment a ship gets stuck in the Middle East. If the most educated government can't handle a crisis without asking me to stop buying gold from my sister's wedding, then maybe they aren't as expert as you claim them to be.
कि देश इकोनॉमी से चलता है और इकोनॉमी लॉजिक से। तुम्हारी ये दोयम दर्जे की पॉलिटिक्स से तो नहीं चलता।
Does the logic of economic change based on who is sitting in the PMO, or is your logic just a fancy word for PR?
क्रिटिसिज्म जरूरी है, जी भर के करो, लेकिन ये सेलेक्टिव आउटरीच नहीं।
And before the IT cell start calling me a Congress supporter in the comment section, I'm not, and I don't care which party is in the center. If my tax money is involved, I am going to call out bad steps and double standards. I'm a citizen, not a cheerleader. Maybe you should try being a critic for real instead of just playing one on Instagram.